In the video tutorial, this time, I will discuss about operator ternary. This ternary operator is an operator. Conditioning. Simple yes. So, with just one line. Conditioning. Then we can complete problem by using programming Python. I give you an example. There is a value. Let's say here the value of a. I made 90. Then I set a limit. 75 means if students score above the limit, then he is said to have passed. If not, then he is said not to pass. Well, that's an example. Operator ternary, which we are going to discuss in this video. Okay, I just go ahead. Well, here I do it. A status variable. We say here pass. Then it says pass. If we use if value, that is variable a, more than the same as limit, and it says don't pass. If she's under from limit, just go straight. We use else. We do it here. Like this. Then I print you. Status variable. Well, like that. Then don't forget we save by pressing Ctrl+S on the keyboard. Then here at the terminal, we can run. Like this. Key to enter. Well, then the result is to pass. Why pass? Because the value of a, that is 90, bigger, more than the limit. Then it says pass. If I change it here, value to 60, then here is the result. Did not pass? Well, like that. This is called a ternary operator. So just one line with the conditioning that simple, that is pass and do not pass. Hopefully tutorial this is useful. Thank you.